Yes, when I first met my spotted, oded, dope-delicious angel, the way she moved reminded me of a brown stallion horse with skates on, you know, smooth like a hot comb on nap-ass hip. Yes, when I first met my...
Guys, I'm so excited. My UPS package came, and so I had to dump all my makeup out, and I don't have to keep my makeup in these like bags anymore because they're always in a bag on my dresser. So now I've got like all my brushes. I'm about to wash out my brushes, so I have my paper towel out, and all of my makeup is about to be organized because I got my package. And then I'm gonna give this to my BFF because I don't need it anymore, and I don't have to keep my makeup in that and other bags anymore. And then I'm gonna be able to organize my jewelry and perfumes inside of this thing that I never ever use because it's in my closet. I just like hang up the stuff that I never use because I don't even like perfume, but I always get it for Christmas and I just can't throw it away. So let's open this. Oh, it is humongous. Oh, it looks like a little doggy could fit in it, but that's not what it's for. Oh yeah. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yes, Lord. Yes. Wait, what's this one do? Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm about to be organized. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I like it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm about to organize them right now. And then put all the other stuff that I really don't want in my face in the little purple thing that's gonna go in my closet. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the purple caddy that I can hang up in my closet. And I just have like some necklaces and some costume jewelry that I used to wear. These earrings. They're still cute though. I don't wear these either. But just earrings I really don't wear. I really don't wear a lot of earrings, period. And perfume. I don't like perfume. And those are like the sample perfumes that you get for free when you buy something from. And that is a perfume that I bought. I don't know why I thought I was about to start wearing perfume, and I got this one for Christmas. But yeah, like I was able to fit a lot of the things. And on this side, I have more room. I just have bags on that side because I'm not really sure. But yeah, I got space to put things that won't fit in the little makeup bag. And I don't want it on my dresser either. So that's what I'm doing with that.
And Mommy's giving me this MAC eyeliner.
It's mascara.
Mascara is Hottie with a body. And Mom's giving me this eyeshadow. So yeah, let's move on.
Okay guys, I am finished cleaning my brushes, so I'm gonna show you my whole entire makeup bag now that I'm finished. And this is usually for like freelancing people who do other people's makeup and stuff, but you know, I ain't touching nobody else's face. I'm real funny like that. So here it is. Here's the Amazon awesomeness. I got my lipsticks over here, my lip glosses over here. I had to keep this in a little package because this right here gets real oily all through it. And That's that Keisha Kaur lipstick. It doesn't actually look good on me, but I keep it. And that's like glitter because I have a 7-year-old. I really want to get rid of that, but you know, she might need it for Halloween. It's my eyeliners and my eyeliner pencils and stuff. And that is my concealers and my primers. And I don't even know how to use these. I don't know what to use it. I don't even know what this one is. But you know, it comes free when you buy something from MAC. This is my highlighter and mascaras. I don't use it because I always have fake eyelashes. And this is what is it? This is eyeshadow and blush. And opening this side up, trying to show you without like showing my fingernails because they look terrible. And this is my lashes. I have 4 pair, and some mask under there. And I know I'm supposed to use lash glue, but I really use weave glue. And concealers and more mask. And at the very bottom, I have my brushes all clean. Oh, they're so clean. And 2 Juvia Place palettes. I'm not good at eyeshadows either. I'm glad I have this, like, oh, and this is my Fenty Beauty sponge. I haven't even opened it because I don't know, but even when I do open it, I'm going to put it back in here because I want it to stay clean. And this one right here is my color. This is my color. And this is espresso for contour, which I don't know how to do that either. And this is my color too. So this is it. I want to bring it to somebody's house so that I can let them do my makeup. So I'm not really good at this, but at least I'm organized and it looks like I'm really good at it. Wait, let me put this back. Yeah. Oh, I have my whole dresser to myself now. Everything's all clean. Yay. Okay, I hope you guys love this video because I am in love with this bag from Amazon. Okay, see y'all later. Bye.